Hi everybody, I'm Renee from Wanna Scrap, and today I'm going to show you how I made these adorable little pumpkin bats. I just grabbed an old pumpkin punch that I've had for a while, some scrap paper, all my bats I gathered around, and some pumpkins that I already had in my ephemera stash. And I'm just punching out one pumpkin here, but I just wanted to show you that you could use that too. I didn't layer the pumpkins that the punch shows, but just in case I want to change the color when I'm using them. So here I put together one. See how easy it is? And these next ones I decided to give them the little bat ears, and I wish I had done that from the beginning, although they all did turn out very adorable. And that's how fast it is, you guys. So easy. It comes together super fast, and I think they're adorable. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't yet subscribed, love to have you here. So take care everybody. Have a good day. Bye for now.